Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover lecture number 3, best topics to rank first page on Google. What is the best topic to rank first on Google? So you can check on Google. Here you can check keyword explorer, and here I type upcoming movies. I write 2020. It's best on Bollywood or Hollywood I will check which movies comes on 2020. So here we need list for movies, which movies will be released on 2020. This is very simple step. So if you want to rank your website, I will suggest you simple topic. For example, this movie will become Godzilla versus Kong. This movie will become on 2020. Now if we check this keyword of this movie, what is the position or what is the searchage of this keyword? Search data. Oh, I think this is not keyword explorer. Here keyword explorer. I have searched there. This is, for example, this keyword Godzilla versus Kong. I type on Google and I use here United States. USA, US, search this movie. What is the search volume and how many competition? This movie search volume is 17K and clicks 5.3, and also these keywords you can check here. This tool is very powerful tool. This tool suggests you how you can work on this topic and how you can work. So here you can check questions. What questions public are search on Google and Quora. Who win in Godzilla versus King Kong? Google when Godzilla coming out. These all question. If you write any question on if you write any content on these question, and if you are using these keyword on your article will be rank on Google first page, rank on Google. Here you can check very low competition. These are very low competition keywords. Searches are okay. You can check search Godzilla versus Kong 17,000, and this is also now these all keywords you can check here, and you can check also here these all keywords, and here you can check these all question. You can cover any question to write article on this topic, and this article going to rank first page on Google. So you need to write any article, only we need to rank any keyword on Google, because we want to send traffic on that keyword to our website for clicks, for AdSense earning. Do not matter your website rank from black hat or white hat or any hat. Only we need to rank first page on Google. So this is my strategy. Last time I have worked on upcoming movies. For example, I write article Bad Boys for Life. This movie coming soon on 2020. But what I write article? I write article download Bad Boys for Life full movie in HD quality, something title I write, and I have write some article for which actors are working on this movie or something, and I have published this article on my website, and I have get backlinks from some biggest website. After that, my article are rank on Google. Once my article are rank and some organic traffic start to come to my website, after that I have sent some paid traffic of for my website for that keyword. Search that keyword and said I traffic, and that traffic clicks on ads. So now the question is, if you think if we work on movies download or something, then Google cannot approve over AdSense. My answer is, if you have already approved account from Google AdSense, then you can publish article on movies related content. You can publish, and you can also show ads on that website. For example, these all people are working on movies downloading or movies type website, and here you can check. Also they place Google AdSense ad on their website. So this is simple strategy. First you need to get approval from Google AdSense. Once Google AdSense approved your website, now you can publish movie article on your website. Why I tell you write article on movies niche? Because here upcoming movies not have much competition, but here many people are search these keyword, these movies on Google. Movie lovers are search that keywords on Google. And if you target these upcoming movies on your website, download link or something, download all song from Dolittle movie released on 2020, then people are come from this keyword to your website, and this is the organic traffic. We need only organic traffic from the Google. Once we get traffic from Google, organic ways, organic traffic from search engine, after that we can use our black hat technique to get more clicks and earn more money on Google AdSense. This is my third lecture. Next lecture we will cover referral traffic versus social media traffic.